Hi YouTube, so today I'm going to be removing the standard screen from my ZX10RR and I'm going to be fitting my new Power Bronze Airflow double bubble screen to the bike. So firstly, what we need to do is remove these 4 bolts. So we'll start getting those going. So as you're taking these bolts off, you'll notice that the top bolts are shorter than the bottom ones. So remember that for when you replace them. Okay, now I've got the bolts out. All we need to do now is just slide the screen back towards the back of the bike, and it should come out like that. You'll notice at the top here is there's these 2 rubber grommets. They'll also have on the back of those, there's a nut there as well. So we'll need to remove these out of the old screen and then fit them there into the new screen. So to get them out, all I do is I'll just push them out of the hole, just like that. Now, probably the easiest way to get them back in would be to use some sort of lubricant. I don't have anything to hand, so let's try and squeeze these back in here. What I'm going to try and do is get a little bit in there and through the hole, and I find it's easier if you kind of twist and turn the nut at the bottom there. It should then help push the rest of the grommet through the hole, just like that. Okay, so we'll just do that on the other side now, and just try and get a little bit into the hole to start with. And then just start twisting it, the rest of it will come through. Okay, so let me just put the camera back down again. So I kind of do what we did, take it off, but in reverse. So just slide it in from the top. Make sure it fits everywhere snug. Alright, so all you need to do now is just make sure all the holes line up properly. Right, time to get the other bolts back, or the bolts back in there. So Again, kind of remember that the shorter bolts go to the top and the longer bolts belong at the bottom. I'm going to undo this bottom bolt just to give you a little bit more leverage. This top one's not lining up fully. I'll just go around and do them up with an Allen key. Right, and there you go, one new screen fitted. That's going to make a world of difference from an airflow once you start riding. Obviously, probably not going to take the bike out now until the springtime, but I can definitely see that it's going to make a difference. So thank you for watching my video and stay tuned for more customization.